I think a lot of people assume that big experiences and big moments are what's going to affect their career, but the small moments are just as important. If you're thinking about joining the game industry, be open to opportunities because you never know when it's going to matter. When I was about 6, I got a handheld console and I was just obsessed with it. It was like my favorite thing on earth. Games added this element of interactivity. That was just really fascinating to me, to really feel like I was living in another world. After college, I just realized that this is a whole medium that I can really dive into. Moving into video games was hard for me initially. I didn't really believe in myself because I was just this newcomer. The Game Developers Conference happens once a year in San Francisco. I thought I would stick out like a sore thumb, but it was very welcoming. Putting myself out there, that was the first time that I really took a leap of faith and met the person who runs Oculus Launchpad, essentially a VR accelerator. I ended up applying to the program. It was through that program that I met my co-founder, Andy. That ended up being one of the small moments that mattered a lot down the line. VR headsets had just come out, and I saw the changes as a player, and I kind of wanted to get into that space as a creator. And that was really exciting to me to say that, I have a chance to make a difference and to leave a mark on an industry. VR games allow people to expand their experiences and just live a more full life. You can go places that you couldn't ordinarily go, meet people that you couldn't ordinarily meet. You're not watching or reading about another world, you're really a part of it. What makes me excited to get up in the morning is really to push the boundaries and to make something that no one has seen before. Ramen VR is a VR game development studio, and we make Zenith: The Last City. It's an anime-inspired, kind of cyberpunk, solar punk fantasy world. I'm proud of what we've done so far to influence the VR space. It's all about the player's experience, and I think that if you're trying to put yourself in the player's shoes, a diverse team is going to be the best at doing that. Because all of those people are going to bring a unique perspective, and the game is just going to feel more real and more well-rounded. The advice I would give my younger self is don't be afraid to take risks and just enjoy those little moments. Not every little thing will be life-changing, but the thing that's life-changing will be one of the little things, and you don't know which one.